Welcome to RenovateWell, where we protect and beautify your home with expert exterior renovation services. Rainwater can wreak havoc on your foundation if it's not properly directed. Clogged or outdated gutters lead to leaks, erosion, and costly repairs. Our seamless gutter installation ensures efficient water drainage with no leaks or clogs. Custom fitted to your home, these gutters blend functionality with a sleek, modern look. Built with weather-resistant materials, they stand up to even the toughest conditions. Say goodbye to constant maintenance and enjoy a system designed for durability and ease. Our skilled team completes installations with precision, leaving you with peace of mind. Seamless gutters protect your home, preserve landscaping, and enhance curb appeal. Upgrade your home with RenovateWell's seamless gutter services. Call us today to schedule your consultation.